Hey guys, let me tell you a story about the last few weeks. I finished my exams a little bit early, so I wanted to get back to my thesis about the crowd simulation. But I found an old game instead that I made for a game jam. This game jam wasn't a public one, my friend and I only made it to test our limits as game developers. I played with the game for a few minutes, and I had an idea to convert it into a mobile version and release it on Google Play. The conversion wasn't a hard thing to do. I had to adjust some settings and convert my input system to fit the mobile environment. I had to create a K-store to sign my APK and put it into the Pay Store. The game is a simple one. The player must go deeper and deeper into the cave and collect crystals. But his lamp is slowly running out of energy, so he must collect batteries too. The cave is generated at runtime and separated into levels. These levels are all the same height and have only one battery in them. If the player crosses the level's border, a grid locks the previous level down so he can't return. The player usually only has time for going one level deeper before his lamp loses its energy. When the lamp is fully discharged, the player dies. I made some updates as well to the game for more complete experience. I updated the UI and the mechanics. Added a marketplace and a currency system that counted how many crystals the player collected during the game. I added a skin selector to adjust the player's skin if they can afford it. I added a tutorial scene to teach the player how to play the game. And finally I added some music and sounds to the game. The game is now available in the Play Store. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching this, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider to subscribe and give a thumbs up.